A salt is formed in a neutralization reaction between an acid and a base. A salt is an ionic compound consisting of a cation, such as a metal ion or an ammonium ion, from a base and an anion from an acid. It can be defined. A salt is a compound formed when the hydrogen ion in an acid is replaced by a metal ion or an ammonium ion. The sea contains many salts such as sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, and potassium bromide. The Earth's crust is made up of minerals containing various types of salts such as calcium fluoride, magnesium sulfate, lead 2 sulfide, and calcium carbonate. Salts play an important role in our daily life. How about solubility of salts in water? Salts are ionic compounds and they can dissolve in water. Through experiments conducted by chemists, not all salts are found to be soluble in water. For example, sodium chloride dissolves readily in water, but silver chloride cannot dissolve in water. Refer to the table about the solubility of salts in water. Preparation of salts in the laboratory. The method used to prepare a salt depends on the solubility of the salts in water. Preparation of soluble salts. A soluble salt can be prepared from a reaction between an acid and a metal, a base, or a metal carbonate. Ammonium salts, sodium salts, and potassium salts are prepared by a titration method based on neutralization reactions between acid and alkalis. A titration is carried out to determine the exact volume of an acid needed to neutralize a fixed volume of an alkali solution with the help of an indicator. The indicator used is to determine the end point of the titration or to determine the volume of acid solution required to completely neutralize alkaline solution. Crystallization is carried out to obtain crystals of the salts, and recrystallization is done to obtain pure crystals of the salts. Soluble salts, which are not ammonium, sodium, and potassium salts, can be prepared by reacting dilute acids with insoluble metals, insoluble bases, or insoluble metal carbonates. For the reaction between dilute acids and metals, avoid using nitric acid because it can act as an oxidizing agent, while giving complicated mixture of products. Unreacted metals such as copper and silver do not react with dilute acids, and never attempt to react acids with very reacted metals such as sodium and potassium, as the reactions are very vigorous and may explode. Doctors use copper to sulfate to test the amount of hemoglobin in a patient's blood. A drop of blood is dropped into copper to sulfate solution. If a white blob is formed and it floats, then there is sufficient hemoglobin in the blood. Physical characteristics of crystals. How to prepare insoluble salts. Insoluble salts can be prepared by a precipitation method through a double decomposition reaction. In this method, two aqueous solutions of two different soluble salts are mixed together to form the insoluble salts. The insoluble salt is formed as a precipitate and can be obtained by filtration. The first solution must have a soluble salt which contains the cation of the insoluble salts. The second solution must have a soluble salt which contains the anion of the insoluble salts. Easy way to write the ionic equation for double decomposition reaction. Step 1. Identify the insoluble salts that is formed and write on the right side of the equation. Step 2. Separate the cations and anions of the insoluble salts and write on the left side of the equation. The flow chart can help you select suitable methods for preparation of salts. Examples of suitable salt solutions for the preparation of insoluble salts.